Top 5 money habits that keep you broke? Fix these. Money problems are rarely just about income. In fact, countless people with decent or even high-paying jobs still find themselves living paycheck to paycheck. The reason? Poor money habits. These behaviors, often unconscious and deeply ingrained, can keep even the hardest-working individuals trapped in financial instability. If you feel like your money disappears no matter how much you make, chances are you picked up one or more destructive financial habits that are quietly sabotaging your future. Let's take a hard look at the top 5 money habits that keep you broke, starting from number 5, and working our way to the most damaging habit of all. Along the way, we'll uncover practical ways to fix them and start moving toward a more secure, empowered financial life. Habit 5. A poor financial mindset and lack of education. One of the most overlooked yet powerful forces shaping your financial reality is your mindset. Many people believe that financial problems are purely external, caused by low wages, bad luck, or lack of opportunity. While these factors do matter, what keeps many individuals broke is their own internal dialogue around money. Believing that "I'm just bad with money," or thinking that wealth is only for the greedy or privileged can sabotage your finances before you even begin. To break this habit, you must start reprogramming your beliefs. Read personal finance books like The Psychology of Money or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Follow financial educators online and talk to people who are good with money. Replace disempowering thoughts with affirmations like "I am learning to manage money wisely," or "Wealth is available to me through smart choices." Building your financial knowledge and shifting your mindset is the first step toward lasting financial freedom. Habit 4. Failing to plan your finances. Without a plan, even the best intentions fall flat. Financial planning may sound complicated or boring, but it's one of the most effective ways to stop being broke. If you're living in reactive mode, dealing with bills as they come, making purchases without foresight, and never setting financial goals, then you're essentially flying blind. This habit often starts innocently. Maybe you tell yourself you'll start saving later when you make more money. To fix this, you don't need to become a financial expert overnight. Start small. Create a monthly budget. Track what you spend. Set simple goals, like saving $1,000 in an emergency fund or paying off one credit card. Once you gain control over your short-term cash flow, begin planning for the long term. Consider setting retirement goals, creating a debt payoff strategy, or investing in a diversified portfolio. Financial planning isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And even a rough plan is better than none at all. Habit 3. Relying on credit and loans instead of saving. In today's world, it's easier than ever to rely on credit for everything: groceries, gas, online shopping, even emergencies. It feels like a safety net, but in reality, this behavior digs you into a financial hole over time. When you use credit cards to fund your lifestyle or cover unexpected expenses, you're borrowing from your future income, often at high interest rates. This habit creates a dangerous dependency. Instead of saving for emergencies, you tell yourself you'll just use your credit card. Instead of waiting to buy something, you choose a buy now, pay later plan. To escape this cycle, you need to develop a habit of saving first. Start by building a small emergency fund. Even $500 is a great start. Automate your savings so it happens before you have a chance to spend. Cut back on non-essential expenses and put any windfalls, like tax returns or bonuses, toward building a financial cushion. When emergencies come, use your savings instead of your credit card. As you build this muscle, you'll start to feel more in control, and the stress of living on borrowed money will begin to fade. Habit 2. Not tracking your spending. Think about the last month. Do you know exactly how much you spent on food, entertainment, transportation, or subscriptions? If you don't, you're not alone. Most people are shocked when they start tracking their expenses and realize how much money is quietly leaking out of their accounts. It's not the big purchases that usually do the most damage. It's the little, unnoticed ones. A $6 coffee every day, a couple of $15 fast food meals per week, a $10 subscription you forgot about. They all add up. The solution is simple but powerful: awareness. Start tracking every expense for 30 days. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or apps like Mint, in-app, or Pocket Guard. As you review your spending, you'll probably spot trends and surprises. Maybe you're spending $300 a month on takeout or paying for a gym membership you never use. With this data, you can make conscious decisions about what to keep, what to cut, and what to redirect toward financial growth. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control and clarity. Habit 1. Living beyond your means. This is the #1 money habit that keeps people broke, and it's also the most socially accepted. In a world where luxury is flaunted on social media and lifestyle inflation is the norm, it's easy to feel pressure to keep up. Whether it's renting an apartment that's too expensive, driving a car you can't afford, dining out multiple times a week, or going into debt to buy the latest phone, living beyond your means creates a cycle of financial instability. What makes this habit so dangerous is how normalized it is. From buy now, pay later services to easy credit approval, the financial system is designed to encourage overspending. But no matter how much you make, if you consistently spend more than you earn, you will stay broke, or worse, fall deeper into debt. The fix for this habit requires a mindset shift. Start by rejecting the idea that you need to look rich to be successful. Choose a lifestyle that reflects your actual income, not your desired image. This might mean downsizing your home, cutting back on dining out, buying a used car, or saying no to expensive social events. It's not about deprivation. It's about creating a financial foundation that supports freedom, not stress. Living within your means doesn't mean you have to live small forever. In fact, it's the quickest way to eventually live large, because it allows you to save, invest, and build real wealth over time. You can't grow financially while constantly outspending your income. But once you start making your money work for you instead of the other way around, your life will begin to change. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.